Hi everyone, here we've got LG K52 and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on the system. Now let's tap on Backup option and at the very bottom of the list we've got Google Backup. If you've got it turned off, just like here, all you have to do is tap on the switch right here. And as you can see, the account option is active, so now we can freely tap on it in order to add a backup account to this device. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read them, just tap on it and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so let's tap on accept. And now your device is telling you that the backup includes apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So if you are ready, tap on OK. And as you can see, we just successfully added our backup account to this device, and from now on, all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. So actually, that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your LG K52. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.